Be blessed by the divine. My spiritual growth as a Kundalini Yoga master. Look, I learned Kundalini Yoga when I was still in college in 1984. And I became a teacher in 1987 under the guidance of our Guru Yogiraj Sri Vedatri Maharishi. I was young, energetic, and had dreams for myself in the materialistic world. I was perhaps even lost in that world. For me to come out of that world took time. My Kundalini Yoga practices helped me to sublimate my emotional mind over a period of perhaps a decade or two, in fact. And I am still progressing in that journey. There was a consciousness awakening. But my biggest growth, the greatest growth came when I started dedicating myself a little more than usual for helping others, helping aspirants, helping students realize their consciousness and help them grow in the spiritual awakening phase of their life. As I helped others through my videos, through my classes, through my teachings, through my writing, I grew. I believe I was a person who gained the most out of my service to humanity, my service to our Guru Yogiraj Sri Vedatri Maharishi. Now let me explain how and why it happened. First, I learned the subjects of Vedatrian philosophy, the philosophy of Advaita from our Guru, but it remained for a fairly long time at only a knowledge level. As I started teaching, I had to research and understand what I believed in. So my faith became understanding. I started to reduce my frequency and stood below the frequency that I needed to understand. And as I reduced my frequency further with the practices of Kundalini Yoga and went from the active emotional beta level to a calm peaceful alpha to theta to a deep inner silence of delta, I began to realize what our Guru, our Swamiji saw as inner vision in himself when he wrote about the primordial state, the transformation of the Almighty Unified Force into the dynamic universe, into the Akash, into the Panchabhutas, into the various celestial bodies, into various life forms, and finally has transformed into you and me as human beings with a sixth sense, a sense that gives us the ability to have faith, understand, and go beyond understanding into self-realization. The realization that we are a fraction of the totality, the fraction demands, the totality supplies. The other end of our mind is the Almighty Consciousness. This realization dawned on me as I started teaching to others such as yourself who's listening to this video. So I thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity to grow as a teacher. I love to teach because I have gained so much from our Guru, and I do not like to take money for what I am doing. This is my repayment of the money or the loan or the benefit that I have gained in spiritual terms from our Guru. So thank you once again for giving me an opportunity to serve you. Good luck. Be blessed by the divine.